Hello everyone, it's Mrs. D'Ambrosio. I'm coming to you live from my lovely living room, and I just wanted to go over some common questions that have been coming in about the project. So I figured the easiest way to do it was to put out a video with the questions that I've been getting the most. So here goes. First one. How should I save my project? So you're going to go to your Google account and save it in Google Docs. Make sure that you go to Google Docs and not Google Slides, because we need it to be an 8x11 piece of paper, and Google Slides uses a different format. So make sure that you save in Google Docs. How do I get to our class website? So in class I told you to go to Google search engine, type in the words SBA Geek Speak. When you do that, you'll see my name, you push on my name, and it will bring you to my website. It's the easiest way to get it done. So when you get to the SBA Geek Speak website for our class, you're going to push the More tab and then select Nuggets of Knowledge, and I'm going to show you that now. So here's my website, and you're going to look for the pencil. Once you can find the pencil right here in the corner, you're going to hit on the More tab. It will drop down, and you select the Nuggets of Knowledge. When you select Nuggets of Knowledge, you will see the edted.com, and you'll also see elements.woolonk.com. And they'll bring you to the places that we looked at yesterday in class, and you remember these. If you're still having a hard time, go to the Elements card page and click on that, and it will remind you of some interesting things, like what your final project should look like. It's sort of a generic version of what we hope to see. Okay, so moving on. Why did I give you a color code? That's the color to locate you on the periodic table when you turn your project in. You'll be with the other elements that fall into your category. So if you're a metal, you'll have one color. If you're a noble gas, you'll have another color. So that's why you were color coded. All the font should be this color. All the background of the paper is white. The font is the only thing that is going to come to us in color. Be sure to make the atomic number, the symbol, and the name 60-point font. We want those to jump off the wall when you're walking down the stairs to go to your other classes or lunch. We want everyone to be able to read the element name and symbol and atomic number clearly. You can pick which font type you like. I'm not being picky about that. If there's a certain type you like, you think it looks cool, select it. And you can also pick the shade of your color, as long as it is the color that I have given you. So if you're green and you like lime green, pick that. If you like forest green, pick that. Just make sure that it is a green color. Okay. Please make the picture big. This is the whole point of the project, and it's to educate others on what your element is all about. So, when you're walking down the stairs, you can learn what beryllium is used to create, and I think that's pretty fantastic. It's learning even when you don't know you're learning, which is the whole point of the project for the 8th grade, to sort of join together and make something bigger than just their element and see how they bond and with the other elements. That's what we're going to use it for. Okay. Remember that the picture must be creative. You cannot use Google Image. So please don't just cut and paste a Google image. You will not get a good grade if you do that. So what are your options? You can draw a picture. You can make a collage that you glue to your 8x11 sheet of paper. You can take a science selfie with you and objects that are made from your element. That would be exciting if you did that. Okay. So, moving on. The whole point of this project, kids, is to be creative. Make sure that you don't phone it in. We'd really like to see a creative project turn out of this. Miss Minnis and I are excited about this project, and we want you to sort of get excited about it too. So, that leaves us with fun facts and common uses. This has to be the color that the other font is in. And we'd like this font to be 30-point font, so please have it be 30-point font for fun facts and common uses. Also, it can be in bullets, so if you want to do bullet form, that's fine. just as long as you have a few fun facts and common uses. Please provide interesting information about your element, like what household items contain your element? How does it help daily life? Who discovered it? When was it discovered? How did it get its name? Is it a natural element or man-made? If it's man-made, can it exist outside the lab? But Miss D'Ambrosio, my element is boring. Turn that frown upside down, kids. All you have to do, if there's not enough information, you might have gotten a tough element, and I am sorry for that, but please Google, and when you get to Google search page, type in the following: interesting facts about, and put your element name here. You will have to do a little extra research, but I promise you won't ever forget your element. I hope this helped. Can't wait to see them. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.